I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable crypto trading on the Kraken app, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Download and install the Kraken app. Make sure you have the Kraken app installed on your mobile device. You can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Create an account or log in. Open the app and either create a new account or log into your existing one. If you're creating a new account, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Step 3. Complete identity verification. To enable trading, you need to complete the identity verification process. This usually involves submitting a form of ID and proof of residence. Note: be prepared for a wait. Verification can take a few hours to a couple of days. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. For added security, enable two-factor authentication 2FA in your account settings. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Step 5. Fund your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Quick tip: if you are using a bank transfer, check the processing times as they can vary significantly. Now you're all set to start trading on the Kraken app. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy trading!